Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution that is smart, powerful, and easy to use, you're going to love this. Today we're taking a close look at the Vileda PureClean S5 Plus, a cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner that is designed to make your daily floor cleaning faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. Let us start with what makes this vacuum different. The PureClean S5 Plus is a 2-in-1 wet and dry vacuum, meaning it vacuums up dust and debris while also mopping your floors all in one pass. No more vacuuming first and then dragging out a mop. This unit handles it all simultaneously, saving you time and effort. It's powered by a smart system that includes a double water tank design. That means dirty and clean water are kept completely separate, so your floors are always being cleaned with fresh water only. You're not just spreading dirt around, you're actually removing it. And here's where it really gets smart, the self-cleaning function. With just the push of a button, the PureClean S5 Plus cleans its own roller and internal water path. That means less maintenance, fewer germs, and no more dealing with a soggy, dirty mop head after every use. Another huge plus: this vacuum is cordless and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture, across rooms, and even upstairs. Whether you're dealing with hardwood, tile, laminate, or even sealed vinyl flooring, the S5 Plus glides smoothly and gets the job done with minimal noise. It's also designed with intelligent water control, so the device automatically regulates how much water is used depending on the floor surface. This not only improves cleaning efficiency but also protects sensitive surfaces from water damage. Need to do a quick clean? No problem. The LED display gives you real-time feedback on battery life, cleaning mode, and maintenance alerts, so you're always in control. Whether you're cleaning up after kids, pets, or just daily life, the Vileda PureClean S5 Plus offers a powerful, hygienic, and super convenient way to keep your home sparkling. If you're ready to upgrade your floor cleaning routine with one device that does it all, this is the one to look at. Check the link in the description for the latest price and more details. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more home tech reviews and smart cleaning solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.